Welcome to our presentation. This is Group 2's exercise on management study. Throughout the management study that we will be conducting, we will be seeing the type of organization that is chosen for our project, the organizational structure of our company, the positions of the staff or employees, how many staff/employees we will need for the project, and finally, the status and timetable of the project. First of all, we will talk about the type of organization. We have chosen to do a corporation. The reason why is because it requires specialized personnel. That is, because our company performs cleaning that requires knowledge of the vehicle, such as air conditioning cleaning, in addition to basic car wash cleaning. Therefore, we will employ employees as an easily hiring company. Also, as a corporation, accounting-wise, if our company were to be unsuccessful, we would have limited liability on the debt, and that would mean that personal belongings of the CEO of the company would not be taken to pay off our project's debt. Here we can see the organizational structure of our company. Because our company is very new, we would have a flat structure to begin with only 3 different levels. As our company becomes more successful, our organizational structure would grow and would then become a tall structure. So at the toppest level, we have the boss, which is our CEO, which would be the creator of the project. Second below him is the manager. We would only need 1 manager as first to start with. Our company would be very small. This manager would be in charge of 4 employees, a car wash equipment manager, and 3 car washing employees that would be washing the car. Here we have a description of the responsibilities and function each position have. We are starting off from the manager. The manager would be managing the sales of the car wash, managing the salaries of the employees, and the overall management of the car wash. We also employ a car wash equipment manager as it is a very specific job. He would maintain, repair, and manage the equipment of the car wash every month. The car wash employee would be cleaning the inside and outside of the vehicle with the different equipments and products provided. Here we have the number of personnel, the qualifications, salary, and how they are recruited. Starting off with the manager. The manager would be at the number of 1. His qualifications would be of a driver's license and also a completion of the workshop operation specialist course. That is to make sure that the manager knows his responsibilities and is aware of the job that he has to do and that it is done correctly. The source of recruitment would be for a website notice, but could also include a motivation letter and an interview. The salary per month would be of $3,106,000. Next, the car wash equipment manager would also be at the number of 1. His qualifications would be a driver's license and also an equipment-related certificate to make sure that he's the most qualified manager. The source from which we'd be recruited would be through a website recruitment notice on our official website, but also connecting with a technician company to make sure that we employ the best person. The recruitment would also be through a motivation letter and an interview. The salary per month would be of $2,574. For the car wash employee, that is the lowest position, the number of personnel would be of 3. The reason why is 2 car wash employees would be working on a car at the same time. First washing the outside of the car and then washing the inside. The third employee would be able to start working on another car if another client arrives, or helping the 2 other clients if the car needs to be washed quickly. The qualifications of the car wash employees are a simple driver's license. No further experience would be needed, as a training would be included in our timetable afterwards. The source of recruitment would be through our website notice, and that is on our official website, and could also be of a motivational letter and an interview. The salary per month of the car wash employee is $2,130. Now we will be looking at more detail with the status and timetable of the project. Our timetable is on the span of 3 years. So to start off, in the first quarter of the first year, we would have our project conceptualization. This would be followed by, in the second quarter, of the market study and technical study. In the third quarter, the management study and the project approval / loan release from our bank. By the end of the first year, in the fourth quarter, we would be purchasing the equipment and designing the washing facility and offices. So by the end of the first year, we will have done the major operations in implementing our car washing facility. The second year would be a decisive year as well. In the first quarter of the second year, we would be doing promotions and advertisement through different campaigns and putting articles in journals or online on our website. And in the first quarter of the second year, we would be training the staff, mostly the car wash employees, so that they know how to wash the cars according to our values. In the second quarter of the second year, we would have the grand opening. The grand opening would happen in the second quarter because of the nature of our project, which is a car washing facility. More clients would be coming in the spring and summer season instead of the winter season, which would be the first quarter. So the grand opening would happen in the second quarter, in between April, May, and June, so that we can have the most potential customers and not lose the 3 first months because of the winter time and the cold. After the grand opening in the first quarter, we would have the start of the normal operations in the summertime. Our employees will be used to the workload, and our clients and more clients will know about our company. Throughout the rest of the second year and for the full third year, that would be of the project monitoring and evaluation, and that would be making sure that our cash flow is sufficient, and that no money is being lost, and that the car wash is as successful as it can be. And that marks the end of our management study. So thank you very much for listening to our presentation.